Well, good morning. Welcome to Debbie's Back Porch. So glad to have you with us. Well, today I'm going to do a product review. And you know I don't do those often, but some nice folks sent me a product that I was anxious to try. The Naked Pig Rendered Pork Leaf Fat. And you may know that I like to use lard for biscuits and pie crust and for frying. And so I tried it on biscuits and pie crust and frying. And I'll show you the results. And hey, we would love it if you would give us a thumbs up and subscribe and click the little icon at the top right, and you'll get a notice when I post new videos about twice a week. Now before you turn this video off and just go lard, blech, let me say lard is actually a healthy fat, and this is rendered pork leaf fat from pastured hogs, which means only the best fat from the best hogs, and that's all that's in it is rendered leaf fat. And I make this myself. I actually have a video on how to make it, but getting the fat and rendering it and putting it up and rotating it and making sure that it's good takes a fair amount of time. Now you can go to the store and you can just buy this. This is lard also, but gosh, let me tell you what's in it. Hydrogenated lard, BHA, propyl gallate, citric acid, several things that are not actually lard. So if you're going to use lard and you're worried about the health benefits of lard, you might want to try this. It's a little pricey. I'm going to have a coupon in the info section, but first I'm going to make some biscuits. Now, this is how I measure lard, because you know it's not easy to put it into a container and then take it out of a container. By container I mean a measuring cup. So I fill my 2-cup measuring cup up with 1 cup of water, and then I add the lard until it reaches 1.5 cups. And then I have 1.5 cups. Then I have a 1/2 cup of lard. And this is beautiful white lard. You know, as I said, I make lard. I make it 10 pounds at a time, and it takes a day and a half. And boy, if I had this handy all the time, I really wouldn't bother. It's a 50-mile ride for me to get the lard. I usually get about 50 pounds at a time, so about twice a year. And this will save me a trip. So you push it down, you've got a 1/2 cup. Now I'm just going to be making some biscuits and some pie crust and frying some stuff up. So I'm not going to talk, I'm just going to let you watch. Well, that's my review of the Naked Pig's rendered pork leaf fat. Like I say, it's a little pricey. Organic, fresh food usually is, but I'm going to put you a coupon in the info section so that you can get a 20% discount. All of the recipes that I showed you, I will put a link for those at the end of the video. Thank you for joining us on Debbie's Back Porch. Hope to see you again tomorrow.